I'm stuck in a sandbar. I'm not getting no closer, but there's a gator.
Gotta catch 'em all.
What's going on YouTube? My name is Eddie P. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day as usual, and welcome back to another video. So today is Saturday, July 4th, and we're gonna head down to this little spot that we know and do some kayaking. We might do some swimming later on at a pool or something like that and just have some fun all throughout the day and all throughout the weekend. Some of the beaches down here in Florida are actually closed, so then the beaches that are open are just slam packed with a whole bunch of people, and we're not trying to be around a whole bunch of peoples right now and crowded on the beach with everything that's going on with coronavirus and everything like that. So with that being said, every little pond, lake, river, stream, Wakaiba Springs, whatever you want to call it, here in Florida has gators and a whole bunch of animals and creatures and stuff in it. So it's definitely going to be a little bit interesting seeing what we run into while we are kayaking, but I'm not too worried about it. Everything's going to be fine. Everything's going to be safe, and we're just going to go out there and have a little bit of fun. But with all that being said, guys, we're going to hop straight into today's video, and if you enjoyed, be sure you smash that like button and leave a comment for us down in the section below. Also, if you're brand new to the channel or tuning in for your very first time, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below to not miss out on any content or any videos. We are going to start pumping out a whole bunch of more vlogs, challenge videos, a whole bunch of other funny stuff. So a whole bunch of content here to come on the channel. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Don't miss out on any videos or any of that content. And we're going to hop straight into today's video, and I'll probably catch you guys on the kayak.
Here's our little kayaking spot. There's people fishing. And then there's Cedric. Pretty nice out today. I thought it was gonna rain, but
No, the weather's really good right
sunny right now. So see you on the kayaks. Okay, so we got here and there's a big sign that says beware of gators, and I hate gators, and I told Cedric from the start that if I get eaten,
What are you going to do if you see a gator?
I'm gonna freaking swat at it.
And then he's going to eat you.
Yeah, but I don't F with gators. I don't F with most animals, not even like a fly or an ant, but here I am.
Imagine you flip over.
Right now. Very unfortunate.
You ready?
Not really.
Hold your paddles. I'm going to push you off. There you go. Ow!
Sorry.
Dang, you heavy.
Dang, you have it. I'll be fine, I'll wait. Get yours.
Go explore a little bit.
No. Get yours.
Okay, I'm coming. And we're off. Got a nice, this is so peaceful. Oh, look at those fish.
A little scary.
I'm going sideways. I need to spin this ship around. Caitlin, it's hard to like pick up the camera because then you start going sideways and you can't You can't kayak with one hand unless I'm doing it right now. Whoo.
I think this part is really shallow.
It is, so watch out. Don't get stuck. I'm stuck in a sandbar.
It is, so watch out. Don't get stuck.
Well,
6.5 hours later.
what am I supposed to do? Guys, there's a gator. Please tell me you see him right there. Right there. I'm not getting no closer, but there's a gator. We found him. Oh my god. Caitlin's gone, dude. Look at Caitlin. Green, I wasn't close enough.
Well, that's good. I'm glad you are.
We got a turtle over there. You're gonna... Guys, let me tell you, Caitlin is causing the most ruckus out here.
I am not.
Caitlin's mad at me that there's gators out in the nature. Like I'm the one who set them here. Why are you mad? So why are you like salty? You mad at the gators? Why are you mad at the gators for being in their home? It's like if somebody barges into your house and they're mad that you're there. What do you got to say for yourself? We switched over to the GoPro, guys. Is this GoPro even upright? I don't know, but I'll fix it while I'm editing. Little update. We've been kayaking for what? How long do you think? 20, 30 minutes we've been kayaking. We have ran into 3 turtles. I got stuck once. And 2 gators so far. So yeah. Bunch of animals. I've been telling Caitlin, I'm pretty sure we ran into at least like 5 or 6 gators, but we just saw 2 of them. Like, she's been scared and worried about them this entire time, but trying to get her to understand that the gators got more important things to do than to chase her. Like, they literally don't care about us here. And we're in their habitat, so like, I can't get mad at the gators for chilling in their springs and in their rivers, but... Caitlin's got mad beef with the gators, if you guys haven't understood. Looks like we got a storm brewing back there. Gonna get caught in the Outer Banks. We've also seen some fish jumping. Like those jumping fish that do flips and shit.
Jumping fish.
We literally have seen like 10 fish jump out of the river and they go... So we're currently going on our way back, and it is so hard because on the way back we had like this little stream pushing us, and now we're going up the stream, and it's so hard. If you stop kayaking like I am right now, you float backwards. Caitlin's dying. Okay, keep going. You're doing good. I'm coming back. This is a workout. We're gonna get back to paddling upstream and see when we get back.
2,000 years later.
We made it back to the car. We've reloaded our kayaks and everything like that. Whew, let me tell you, the way back was such a hassle. The stream was going so fast on the way back. I mean, on the way there, we were just chilling, relaxing, going nice and easy. And I think we went a little bit too far on the way there, not realizing that the stream was going to be hard to come back. What do you think?
I don't think we went too far. It was just hard to come back.
It was just, we didn't realize how hard it was going to come back, but we made it back. Super proud of Caitlin here who made it back.
Dying.
Super proud of her also with the gators and stuff like that. Towards the end, she wasn't like as worried about them and stuff, so that was good also. So now the plan for the rest of the day, like I said, we packed up the kayaks, we're done. We left the place. We're gonna go drop off the van, the moto van with the kayaks and stuff like that in the back. We're gonna go drop that off at my house. We're gonna go grab some smoothies and lunch, and then I'm gonna grab my bathing suit and all my stuff, and then we're gonna go swimming at the pool. So I'll probably pick up the camera once we're going to get our smoothies and lunch. So we'll catch you guys in a little bit. Well, it's literally been like 10 hours since we last recorded a clip from lunch. But yeah, we went to Tropical Smoothie and got some sandwiches and some smoothies. And then it literally rained until right now. So it rained from like, what time was lunch?
Lunch was late, like 2.
No, we finished kayaking at like 12. 1:30. Yeah, we ate lunch at maybe like 1:30, and it's now 7, and it was raining pretty much that entire time in between. So that's why we're now swimming super duper late. Caitlin went in the pool. How was your dip in the pool?
Pretty good after my headache that I had all day.
Yeah, Caitlin was complaining all day after kayaking. But we're now deciding something to get for dinner. And then we are maybe going to watch some like little fireworks here in the neighborhood or anything like that, because all the big fireworks shows got canceled. So we're going to figure out what we're going to do. Definitely eat, maybe some fireworks, and then hang out later on. Maybe get some dessert. Caitlin always wants dessert at like 11:30 at night. So we'll see what we'll do. You look like a hot dog. You know that?
I look like a damn hot dog. Don't be looking up at my areas like that. We don't need that right now. Please, I look so ugly. I don't need that on the freaking YouTube channel. No, Cedric, not right now. There's people everywhere.
Go
Cedric,
and dip in the pool.
I'm not freaking dipping in the pool right now.
Dip in the pool.
No.
What are the odds you jump in the pool 1 out of 5?
No, we just
Ready,
did
ready?
that.
1, 2, 3, 3. Go jump in the pool. Go jump in the pool. Take your shorts off and jump in the pool.
No, there's people coming. I'm not jumping.
Jump in the pool.
No, Cedric,
You lost in odds.
No, you are.
You're gonna get bad luck. That's what the game
I don't
is.
care if I get bad luck.
You have to jump in the pool.
No.
Everyone go unfollow Caitlin on Instagram. I'm actually gonna put her Instagram on there so you guys can go unfollow her and give her some mean comments. Another little update. We finally decided where we're going to eat.
After like 40 minutes of me being in this.
Caitlin sat on the bed for 45 minutes. I'm not even exaggerating.
I was letting my hair dry.
Or I wasn't even kidding. 45 minutes.
Sorry, go. Sorry,
pick-
beep, bleep. I don't say bad words. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Caitlin almost just...
What
the heck?
Oh.
But yes, as I was saying before, Caitlin almost rear-ended somebody in the parking lot trying to park.
Shut up.
Caitlin took 45 minutes to decide what she wanted to eat, and then we called the place to see if they're open, and they're all closed because Caitlin took 45 minutes to decide what she wanted to eat.
Don't be exposing. Can you wear this?
So we originally... I'll wear it when we get in there. We were originally going to get Chipotle, but then I told myself, it's 4th of July. We need to get some burgers or some American food.
Chipotle was closed, and they closed at 3,
yeah,
so I guess.
Chipotle closed because Caitlin took 45 minutes to decide what she wanted to eat. So now we're here at BurgerFi, which is actually pretty good. I've only been here like twice. How do you open this stupid ass car?
It's not stupid ass car.
So yeah, we're here getting some burgers, and then yeah, maybe some dessert because Caitlin's hungry bungalow booty is gonna want some ice cream later. Okay, so our food came. We got a bacon double cheeseburger with large cheese fries that we're both gonna share. What kind of burger do you have?
Double cheeseburger.
Isn't yours different though? With like mushrooms and stuff?
The CEO.
Yeah, this is BurgerFi. The buns actually say BurgerFi on it, but I don't have mine out of the wrapper yet. You have yours?
I took a bite out of it.
Oh. But yeah, super cool. Super expensive though. This right here, burger and fries, was 18 bucks. So, super expensive.
Some dog is not happy.